A necklace that speaks volumes? I'm Gracie with WTI, and this Edison pearl necklace from N9NEMUSES is simple, elegant, and absolutely beautiful. I completely fell in love with it as soon as I saw this online, but honestly, it's even more beautiful in person than I imagined. The first thing you'll notice is the exceptional quality of the pearls. These are truly top tier because they are quadruple A plus freshwater cultured Edison pearls. That means they're not only gorgeous, but they have that natural mirror-like luster that catches the light without looking over the top. And I love the modern design to this. So instead of the traditional full strand pearl necklace, this one has 5 beautiful, perfectly round and uniform pearls that are 6 millimeters each, with a smaller gold bead on each end, centered on this sleek 18 karat gold plated chain, giving it that sophisticated and timeless look. The chain is adjustable with a lobster clasp closure. It even comes with a beautiful gift box so you can feel confident gifting this to your loved one. Pearls will never go out of style, and this one is definitely worth adding to your collection, and that's my point of view.